Refresh your color palette for summer. Every season has a feeling. Summer feels calm, airy, relaxed, fresh. Your colors should communicate exactly that. Instead of adding bold seasonal decorations everywhere, start with timeless neutrals. Warm white. The colors in this room are truly inspiring. They reflect the sunlight beautifully, don't they? Adding subtle summer accents makes all the difference. Think pale blue vases, fresh greenery, woven baskets, and ceramic accessories. Remember, luxury interiors don't shout, they whisper. Another professional trick is repeating the same accent color in 3 different places throughout the room. Maybe green appears in a plant, a cushion, an artwork. This repetition creates visual harmony without feeling forced. And here's something most people overlook. Summer decorating isn't about buying more. It's about editing better. Before adding anything new, remove 3 unnecessary items first. You'll often discover your room already has everything it needs. We've only covered 4 updates, but the next ones are where designer homes really segregate themselves from ordinary homes. Coming up, I'll show you the biggest lighting mistake that instantly dates a home, why your furniture layout may be making your room feel smaller, the styling trick luxury hotels use that you can copy in minutes, and the one update I recommend to every homeowner in 2026 because it creates the biggest visual impact for the smallest investment. Trust me, the best ideas are still ahead.